if you're using Windows and you can't find your recycle bin, you have tried searching for the recycle bin on your Windows 11 PC, but you can't find it, do this. Head over to your settings and click on personalization, then click on themes, then click on desktop icon settings, and ensure that you toggle the recycle bin on if you find it off. Then click on apply, then click OK. When you go back to your desktop, you'll find that the recycle bin is now back, okay, and working. If you don't find it, instead do this. Your system files could be corrupted, so you search for cmd or command prompt and run it as administrator. When you run it as administrator, you type this. I've put it here in my notepad, this first one, sfc/scannow. You paste it and then you press enter. It will start scanning your system and find any corrupt files and repair them. If that also doesn't work, this is the final option. I'm going to put these commands in the comment section. You copy them. You copy the second one. Also do the same. cmd, then run it as administrator and paste it and press enter. The recycle bin will be fixed.